Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel where we empower you with the knowledge and skills to stay safe and confident. If you've ever faced a bully, you know how intimidating it can be. The fear and anxiety can be overwhelming, but you don't have to feel helpless. Today, I'm going to show you some effective self-defense moves that can help you protect yourself. These techniques are simple, yet powerful, and anyone can learn them with a bit of practice. Remember, these techniques are for self-defense only, and should be practiced with care. Always ensure you're in a safe environment when practicing. Let's dive in. We'll start with some basic but highly effective moves. First up, the palm strike. This is a powerful move that targets the nose or chin of your assailant. It's designed to cause immediate pain and disorientation. To execute it, keep your fingers together and your thumb tucked. This ensures that your hand is in the strongest position possible. Aim your palm at the attacker's nose and push forward with force. The impact should be quick and decisive. This can disorient them and give you a chance to escape. Remember, the goal is to create an opportunity to get away safely. Next, the knee strike. This technique is great for when you're in close quarters. It's particularly useful if the attacker is trying to grab or hold you. Grab your attacker's shoulders or head, then bring your knee up sharply into their midsection or groin. This move is both powerful and effective. This will cause significant pain and give you an opportunity to get away. The element of surprise is on your side here. Moving on to the elbow strike. Elbows are strong and can deliver a lot of force. They are perfect for close-range defense. Aim for the attacker's jaw, temple, or neck. These areas are sensitive and can incapacitate your attacker. Swing your elbow in a circular motion to maximize impact. The motion should be fluid and powerful. This can stun your attacker and give you the upper hand. Use this moment to create distance and plan your next move. Now let's talk about the bear hug escape. If someone grabs you from behind, stay calm. Panic can make it harder to think clearly and execute your escape. Drop your weight and bend your knees to lower your center of gravity. This makes it harder for the attacker to lift you. Stomp on their foot, use your elbows to jab their ribs, and then twist your body to break free. Each of these actions can weaken their grip. This move is crucial for getting out of a tight spot. Practice it until it becomes second nature. Lastly, we have the wrist release. If someone grabs your wrist, don't pull away directly. This can actually tighten their grip. Instead, rotate your wrist towards the attacker's thumb, where their grip is weakest. This technique uses leverage to your advantage. Use a quick, sharp motion to free yourself. The speed and direction of your movement are key. This technique is simple but effective. It's a great tool to have in your self-defense arsenal. Remember, self-defense is about protecting yourself, not picking a fight. The goal is always to escape safely. Practice these moves regularly and always stay aware of your surroundings. Awareness can often prevent a confrontation before it starts. Confidence and preparation are your best allies. The more you practice, the more instinctive these moves will become. Thanks for watching. We hope you found these tips helpful. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more self-defense tips. Stay safe out there. TechJ 4882.